Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to check your Ford Fiesta's engine oil. It's a simple maintenance task that helps keep your car running smoothly. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface, which is crucial for an accurate reading. Then, turn off the engine and let it cool down for at least 15 minutes. This allows all the oil to drain back into the oil pan. You'll also need a clean cloth or paper towel and a funnel, just in case you need to add oil. Now open your Ford Fiesta's hood. Look for the engine oil dipstick. It's typically easy to spot with a brightly colored handle, often yellow or orange. Once you've found it, pull the dipstick out completely from its tube. Take your clean cloth or paper towel and thoroughly wipe off all the oil from the dipstick. This step is essential for getting a precise measurement. Also, take a moment to identify the MIN and MAX marks on the dipstick, as these indicate the acceptable oil level range. With the dipstick now clean, carefully reinsert it all the way back into its tube. Make sure it's fully seated and push down as far as it can go. Give it a few seconds, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, to allow the oil to mark the dipstick accurately. Then, pull the dipstick out one more time. Observe the oil level. It should ideally fall somewhere between the MIN and MAX indicators on the dipstick. This range signifies a healthy oil level for your engine. If your oil level is below the MIN mark, it's time to add some. Use a funnel to carefully pour small amounts of the correct type of engine oil into the oil filler cap. Add a little at a time, then recheck the dipstick after each addition. Be careful not to overfill, as exceeding the MAX mark can also cause engine issues. Once the level is correct, securely replace the dipstick and close your Ford Fiesta's hood. Great job! You've successfully checked your oil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.